To check your account balance on DesignCrowd, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the DesignCrowd website and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or My Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Find Account Balance. Look for a section labeled Account Balance or Wallet. This section will display your current balance along with any recent transactions. Step 5. Review balance details. Take note of your balance and any additional information provided, such as pending payments or earnings from completed projects. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on DesignCrowd. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to their support team.